Broken Arrow Public Schools is proud to partner with Folds of Honor and QuikTrip to salute our hometown heroes. Recently, we honored retired U.S. Major Virgil Domino during the Folds of Honor Patriot Bowl versus Owasso on September 9th. Virgil is a World War II veteran who flew 18,000 hours as a pilot in command and flew a B-47 carrying the most significant nuclear weapon of its time during the Cuban Missile Crisis. Domino served 22 years in uniform and turned 100 years old on August 31st. To say he's an American hero is an understatement. Domino is the classic American patriot. He has been a member and in good standing at Broken Arrow's American Legion Post 110 continuously for the past 20 years.
To salute our hometown heroes. Retired U.S. Air Force Major Virgil Domino is a World War II veteran who flew 18,000 hours as a pilot in command and flew a B-47 carrying the most significant nuclear weapon of its time during the Cuban Missile Crisis. Domino served 22 years in uniform and turned 100 years old on August 31st. Born and raised in Iowa, Tiger fans, please help me congratulate tonight's incredible Vice President Ben Leslie and Jim Stevens, Lieutenant Colonel Dan Rudy, Juanita Parker.
I went to a little high school in Rembrandt, Iowa. The senior class had 12 students and 2 girls, and that was the kind of school. It was small, and we just learned the basics. We didn't have a football team because there wasn't enough men, guys, so we played baseball in the fall instead of football. And I was stationed in Thailand for 5 years, and that was a nice country on the Air Force, and I was able to fly, and I had a staff job at headquarters, and I had a secretary and things like that, and routine, and did things differently, but I didn't do any argument. I just did what I was supposed to do, and I didn't want to come back to the farm. That was one thing. Well, we was living over in Thailand, and we come back, and my wife her dad had a little house up on North Lewis on Independence there. And we went over there, and so we looked around. She wanted a better place, so we looked at places up in Owasso, down where we had, and we went into Broken Arrow one afternoon. There's a house up for sale, and the salesman was right across the street, so he came over, and we talked to him what we wanted. He said, well, I said, we'll sell you this house with a good bargain. And I had the money, so we bought the house, because the wife liked the kitchen. That's how we ended up in Broken Arrow.